having this kind of access. So I would like to know something about who are having a same access, who are having same access, like in something called, I want to list out the access who is having the same, right? So now Venkatesh, or you can say Venkat is having something called installation. Okay, installation. Okay, a removal, a software removal, a software updation, and called service, something called restart or whatever start, right? Okay, this is our Venkat responsibilities inside my project. In the same way, the root user has a given to access to Mr. Venkatesh also, the same access, Mr. Venkatesh, same access. All right, Mr. Venkatesh, the same access. That means what? Same access in the sense what's are same install, removal, update, and service restart or start, whatever it is, like this. Okay. Now, one more guy, third person, one more guy, third person. That name is what? Mr. Ravi. Okay, Ravi. So Ravi is having something called use add users. Okay, modify user details, modify users. Afterwards, delete the users. Yes, this fellow is having this kind of facility. But as of now, we discussed something called rotational shifts. Rotational shifts. In the same way, same access I want to give to some other fellow because he is in a rotational shifts. That's why I would like to provide a same access to again one more guy. That guy name is what? Something called Suresh or something, whatever it is. So same. Oh, add user. Yes, yes. Modify user. Yes, yes. Or users and delete a user. Yes, same thing. Same thing. Yes. Okay, okay. That means what, friends? Observe carefully. Venkatesh user is having and Venkatesh and Venkat user is having same access. Okay. Ravi and Suresh is having also same access. So I list out the access who is having the same access, right? So Venkatesh and I found finally Venkatesh and Venkat is having same access, and Ravi and Suresh is having same access. Oh, like this, there are so many other activities also available inside our project. Just for understanding purpose, imagine that these fellows are having the same access, but as of now, what should I do? Yes, as of now, what should I do? So I would like to do something called the same access fellows. Yes, I create a group was. Oh, I create a group. So this is what group two. I create a group number one. This is group number one. Yes, I add this Venkatesh and Venkat. That's all. I add this Ravi and Suresh into this group. That's all. So group one and group two. I create a group. I attach or add Venkat and Venkatesh users into this particular group. So afterwards, so instead of giving individual users, instead of giving permissions to the individual users, yes, I provide a permission to my groups. That's all. Only single group. That's all. I provide a permission to group two. That's all. Access. I provide an access to group one. I provide an access to group two. So that means what? Whoever is having, whoever is available in this group, the people can get the same access. That's all. This is my intention. That's why I created a group and I added these two members into this group. Afterwards, I provide a pseudo access this group. That means what? I provide a extra access this group only, extra access this group only. That means what? Just we are working on a group level. That's all. And before that, we were working in a users levels. Users levels. Okay. Before that, we were working users levels, but right now we were working on a group levels. That means what? Just to create a group, boss. Just how to do that, sir? Simple. Just simple. Yes, simple. Very, very simple. Just to create a group. That's all. Group one. Okay. Create a group. Okay. Afterwards, adding a members. So Venkatesh is a member or a user. So Venkat is one more resource or member or user. First user, second user. So after creating the group one, just add the Venkatesh user and add a Venkat user. Okay. Afterwards, yes, afterwards go to simply sudoers file. Okay, understood, sir. Yes, go to simply sudoers file. Just if you want to open a sudoers file, we have two methods. The first method is what? Nano etc sudoers file. Okay. Or you can also open vim etc sudoers. That's all. Or we can also open vi sudo. Yes, yes. That means what? We can open the sudoers file either nano or vim or vi sudo. That's all. But vi sudo is the best model, to open the sudoers file. You can open in any one by using any one, but anyway, VI sudo is the best one to open sudoers file. Okay, like that, I used to VI sudo. Okay, afterwards, I opened a sudoers file. This is my sudoers file. Okay, inside a sudoers file, just add a group one only, boss. Just add. Before that, we were adding members, users, but we are not adding users, boss. Just we are adding group one. That's all. Oh, group one, yes, all is equal to all over. Afterwards, I can write the commands. Whatever the commands I want to provide to Mr. Venkatesh or Venkat or this group, yes, I can provide. This is what group level access. So, all something called user bin, something called m, like that, comma, user, okay, s bin, comma, something called service. So like that, I provide a permissions, I provide access to this group. That's all. This is what group level access. This is what group level access. So as and when require this, modify or delete this members, yeah, I can. Simple. Yes, sir. If a new person join in this organization, but this fellow requires the same access. Yes, the third person, this is what third person. The third person join an organization, it also requires the same access. Then you can add into this group. That's all. So that means what? You can add this group. That's all. So that the third person also get the same access. Whatever the group one is accessing, yes, same access will be available for the third person also. Same way. This is what group level access. So user level access is different, group level access is different. Sir, how to create a group? Simple. But how to add members into this group? Simple, very, very simple. But how to provide an access to this group? Sudoers file. That's all. Open sudoers, provide an access to the group. That's all. Before that, we were using users, but now not using users. So before that, we were using users levels permissions, but now group level access or group level permissions. Sir, how to create a group? Yes. To create a group, the Linux has given a command called group add. Group add. So group add is a command which is used to create a new groups. That's all. Group add is a command which is used to create a new groups only, right? So group add, okay, group, group add, okay, right? Group add, simple. Group add is a command in Linux which is used to create new group. That's all. which is create a new group. Okay. For example, group add, group name. That's all. Group add, group name. That's all. So this is nothing but what? Add, that means what? Creating the group. That's all. Group add is a command. That's all. Okay. So now how to add a members or users into group? Yes, gpasswd. So gpasswd. By using gpasswd, yes. So what is a gpasswd? Gpasswd is a command in Linux. Okay. Gpasswd is a command in Linux, yes, which is used to add members, add members into group. That's all. Oh, add members. Okay. So only one action. Yes, there are so many actions available for this gpasswd. Add a members into group. The first action, adding members into this group. First action, removing members from the group, adding, removing, and also making group admins. Making group admins. Okay, okay. Group admins. Sir, what is a group admins? We'll understand step by step, no problem. So like this, gpasswd is a command, very, very powerful command, which is used to add a members into group. Not only adding members, removing members, and making group admins also. No problem. Yes, we'll understand step by step, later sessions how to work with the group admins and everything.